Kia ora. We're out here today on the weedy boat again. Thanks for Darren for inviting us again. But yeah. That's us, let's get in there. Whee! Check out the visibility. That's us, let's get in there. That still gave me a fright. What the heck?
Here we are in the deep blue sea, searching for kingfish. There's Darren down there scouting out. Beautiful out here. There's one of the divers, she's shooting her first kingfish. Awesome. Unfortunately for me, I was the only one that didn't shoot a kingfish on this day, but grateful for the opportunity. First time for me diving these type of situations. Definitely learned a lot. Watch out, spearing a kingfish is still on the bucket list. Check. Here's Darren here with a second shot, making sure to secure the catch so you don't waste the food or lose the king. Just epic scenes surrounded by kaheru. Beautiful to see the yellow stripe light up when there's prey around. Here's the team with their kingfish. Guess who took the mean photo? Check. Then we're off to our next spot, and look what I found. A beautiful pack horse lobster crayfish, or whatever you want to call it. Now these are not your average normal typical red lobsters. You actually have to measure the length of the tail, not the width of the tail. So for New Zealand, this is how you measure the pack horse rock lobster or crayfish. This for male and female. So one of the key difference with the pack horse lobster is the green shell. Now you don't want to be caught out grabbing these lobsters, as they have to be a lot larger to take, as they grow different than your normal red crayfish. I'll leave a link down below if you want to find out more information. Chirp. My GoPro was playing up, didn't get that much footage. Again, I want to say a big thank you to the man himself, Darren Shields. Thank you for the opportunity to learn from the best, and the #1 diving gear in the world, Witty. If you want to check out their stuff, link will be down below. all the spearfishing and diving gears you need. Check them out. Man, my whānau was so happy when I brought back this kai. Definitely fills me with joy when I see their smiles on their faces. I'm truly blessed that we were able to dive in this beautiful country. So stay tuned, see what my beautiful wife creates with these coders. So let's see what we're having for dinner. So stay tuned, or I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.